Urine tests can also be done using strip method. The presence of normal and abnormal chemical elements in the urine are detected using dry reagent strips. These plastic strips contain absorbent pads at the terminal end with various chemical reagents for determining a special or specific substance in the urine. When the test strip is put in the urine, the reagents get activated and a chemical reaction occur which will result in change in the color, which can help us in knowing the presence of the chemical. The principle behind the pH. The indicator used in this test is methyl red and bromothymol blue. Methyl red pH range is 4.4 to 6.2 and bromothymol blue pH range is 8 to 9.6. Color change will be red to yellow for methyl red and bromothymol blue color change will be yellow to blue. Coming to specific gravity, the reagent area contains bromothymol blue. The higher the specific gravity, more acidic the reagent becomes. Color changes from deep blue to green and yellow to orange in high ionic concentration. For proteins, tetrabromophene blue buffered to an acid pH. Yellow, no proteins, and green indicates protein present. Glucose oxidase and peroxidase enzymes and chromogen potassium iodide is used for glucose. Glucose is converted to gluconic acid and hydrogen peroxide in the presence of glucose oxidase, and hydrogen peroxide in the presence of peroxidase will convert into water and nascent oxygen will be released. This will cause the change in color of the strip. Ketones, sodium nitroprusside, glycine and a buffer. The sodium nitroprusside reacts with the diacetic acid and acetone in an alkaline medium to form a violet dye complex. Acetoacetic acid is more sensitive and does not react with beta hydroxybutyric acid. For bilirubin, 2,4-dichloroaniline diazonium salt or 2,6-dichlorobenzoanium diazonium tetrafluoroborate is used. Positive test gives tan or tannish purple. For occult blood, tetramethyl benzidine peroxidase and 2,5-dimethyl 2,5-dihydroxyperoxyhexane is used. The color change is from orange to green to dark blue in color. So these are the tests using heuristics we can determine the chemical present in the urine. This is a pictorial diagram of urine strip reagent which will show the presence of leukocytes, nitrite, urobilinogen, protein, pH of the urine, blood if present in the urine, specific gravity of the urine, ketone bodies, bilirubin and glucose. Using a single strip with all the reagents in a single one, we can give a detailed chemical examination report of the given urine sample. pH of the urine is done to know the partial assessment of acid-base status. Alkaline pH will indicate old sample or urinary tract infection. Specific gravity states the kidney and hydration status of the patient. Protein examination with the strip will help in primarily detecting the proteins called albumin. It is an important indicator in the detection of the renal disease. Glucose primarily detected and it will help in diabetes mellitus diagnosis, morbidity and mortality. Blood. Red blood cells, hemoglobin or myoglobin presence is a sensitive early indicator of renal disease. And ketone bodies are normal products of fat metabolism. If they are increased in amounts in conditions such as diabetes or starvation, then they can be diagnosed. Bilirubin, a product of red cell breakdown, is an indicator of liver function. Urobilinogen is also another byproduct of red cell breakdown, and it is increased in amounts in fever, dehydration, hemolytic anemias, and liver disease. With this, we complete our chemical examination of urine. I hope you have understood the points very clearly. Signing off, Ravichandra. Please like, share, subscribe Dr. Ravichandra Official for your betterment. Thank you, thank you, thank you.